Okay, so today we got the new Cascade Platinum Plus for the dishwasher right here. So and it comes with 52 packs and it's fresh scent, and it says it works with it works with all the brands that you can see right here, and it says the actual size right here. It says and then also it also you can run the dishwasher daily, and it also helps save water too. 24 gallons on top with the 11 minutes hand washing and 4 gallons per one dishwasher cycle. So, all right. So we're gonna open it up. Sorry. Open it up. As you can see. There we go. Open it up. So here we go. And we get the pod right here. It's got the detergent and this little pod right here. And then we're gonna take one of these, put it inside the dishwasher right here. That's how you do it. And then close the door. Close it. We're gonna turn it on. And then start, and it's gonna wash. So later we'll check back later. Okay, so this is done right now. It's clean, and we're gonna open the dishwasher up. Look, it's hot, but look at how. Sorry, the lens. But look on how these dishes are cleaned. I'm gonna take one out. I know it's hot, so I'm gonna take one out. And look, it's beautiful, nice and clean. As you can see, nice and shiny. Everything's all great. Clean dishes. Everything is good now. I recommend. So if you want to get these Cascade Platinums, check them out on Amazon. Thanks for watching.